And for those who are first time watching this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified for more videos that will motivate you in your day-to-day activities. In my last video, I've talked about how you can grow your money. So, paano ba natin mapapalaki ang ating pera? So, the first step that we need to do is, of course, to save money. Save money in order to grow your money. Hindi mo ini-invest ang pera mo lahat-lahat. So, you need to save a certain portion of your income or your profit or your money so that yung portion na yon na sinave mo, yun ang palalaguin mo. And so, in this video, I'd like to talk about ano ba yung purpose ng savings mo. So, mahalaga kasi yung magkaroon ka ng purpose and goals on why you are saving money or why you want to grow your money. Una-una, para kanino ba ang pag-save at pagpapalago ng pera? Kanino ba ito nakalaan? Sino ba ang gusto mong paglaanan? Of course, kailangan natin paglaanan yung sarili natin. That's first. But there should be more than that. Kailangan meron pang higit pa dun sa paglalaanan na yon. Pangalawa, anong goal mo? Ano yung target savings na gusto mong marating? Or ano yung target na amount ng pera ang gusto mong marating? Siyempre, hindi naman basta-basta lang yan na nagpapalago ka ng pera basta-basta. So, kailangan meron kang target amount. So, magkano ba yan? 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. Kayo ang mag-decide niyan. Alright? And another thing, saving is also a giving. Kapag ikaw ay nagsisave, it means that you are also setting aside giving. Okay? So, ang giving po ay yung pagbibigay. So, halimbawa, nag-save ka ng pera kasi gusto mong gastusan yung sarili mo, gusto mong bilhan ng bagong cellphone, gusto mong mag-travel, gusto mong bumili ng bagong kotse, gusto mong bumili ng bagong gamit. So, it's about giving to yourself. And it's also about giving to others. If you want to give a present to your wife, to your husband, to your kids, to your family, to your parents, or even a friend, So, kasama po yan, no? At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, na kapag ikaw ay nagsisave, you also give to the Lord. You know, the Bible says that, sabi niya na, love God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, with all your strength, and then love others or love your neighbor as you love yourself. So, when you love, you give. So, you save because you want to give something. So, unahin natin yung love for God. So, when you love God, you give to God. You give your savings, nagsisave ka so that you can give something to God. In a form of what? In a form of tithes and offering. Kasi sabi sa Bible na bring all your tithes to the storehouse. Ibig sabihin yung storehouse ng Panginoon, the church. So that there will be food there. And test me on this, that I will open the doors and windows of heaven, that I will pour out such a blessing that your hands cannot hold. You know, in all the words in the Bible, dun lang sa verse na yon nagpa-test si Lord. Nasabi niya, subukan mong magbigay kung hindi ko bubuksan ang durungawan ng langit para ibuhos ang pagpapalang hindi man kayang hawakan or saluhin ng iyong mga kamay. And so, may pangako, there's a promise. If you want to grow your savings, if you want to grow your money, you give first to God. You give first to God in terms of tithes and offering. Kasi doon, sinabi niya na bubuksan niya yung durungawan ng langit so that He will pour out a blessing that your hands cannot hold. So that's a promise. Pangalawa, there's protection. Sabi niya, I will protect your crops from locusts. So kung meron kang investment, kung meron kang sinesave, di po protektahan yun ni Lord kasi alam niya nagbibigay ka sa Kanya. Pangalawa, sabi niya, that I will also make sure na habang nag-harvest ka pa ngayon, meron ka pang harvestin na susunod. So, hindi mo pa nauubos yung harvest mo ngayon, meron pang parating na crop. So, ganun ang pangako ng Panginoon. So, meron kang protection, and then meron kang pangako na tuloy-tuloy yung blessing na matatanggap mo. Kaya it's very important that you give to the Lord so that the more you give, the more you grow your money. Ang sabi nga ng Panginoon, store up riches in heaven where moth and rust cannot destroy, and thieves cannot steal. So meron kang spiritual savings, which is in heaven, and then meron kang physical savings, which is nandito sa lupa. So how do you love God? With all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength? You give your tithes. And so in one way or another, when you give to the Lord, you are saving money. You are saving money not only for yourself, but also for those who are around you. I hope you were motivated by this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification button so that you will be notified for more videos that will inspire you and motivate you in your day-to-day activities. Again, this has been your dose of motivation. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again, and may God bless you.